If you're about to spend money on your first animation tool, stop for a second, because picking the wrong one isn't just expensive. It can cost you hours trying to learn software that doesn't match the way you work. So, ToonBee or Vyond? If you're a complete beginner, here's how I'd think about it. First, don't compare feature lists. Everybody does that. It's honestly the least helpful way to choose software. Instead, ask yourself, how fast can I go from a blank screen to a finished video? That's the question that actually matters. Now, ToonBee feels like it's built for people who want AI to do more of the heavy lifting. You describe what you're trying to create, let the AI generate a starting point, then spend your time improving it instead of building everything from scratch. If your goal is speed, that's a big advantage. Vyond is a little different. It gives you a lot more control over characters, scenes, movements, and timing. That's great, until you realize more control usually means more decisions, and more decisions usually mean more time. Neither approach is wrong. They're just solving different problems. If you're making training videos, internal business presentations, or explainers where you want every scene exactly the way you imagined it, Vyond's control can be worth the extra effort. But if you're a freelancer juggling client deadlines, or a content creator trying to publish consistently, you might care more about getting from idea to finished video as quickly as possible. Here's something I'd do before buying either one. Take the exact same project, use the same script, try building it in both tools. Don't change anything else. Then ask yourself 3 questions. Which one felt easier? Which one looked better? And maybe the biggest one, which one would you actually want to open again tomorrow? Because the best software isn't always the one with the longest feature list. It's the one you'll actually keep using. One thing I think beginners get wrong, they assume more features automatically mean better value. Not always. Sometimes more features just mean more buttons you'll never touch. So if this is your first animation tool, don't overcomplicate it. Choose the one that fits your workflow today. You can always switch later as your needs grow. Now I'm curious, if you had to pick one right now, would you go with ToonBee for speed or Vyond for more control? Let me know in the comments, and more importantly, tell me why. That's usually where the best discussions happen.